Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this guide, you'll learn how to use the Client CRM Tracker, a spreadsheet designed to help you efficiently manage, organize, and analyze all your client relationships in one centralized system. Before getting started, please note that some tabs in this tracker are protected. This is done to ensure that all formulas, automations, and summary calculations continue to function correctly without any errors or accidental changes. If you attempt to edit a protected cell, a pop-up message will appear. You can either click OK to proceed or cancel to avoid making changes. Next, let's move to the Setup tab. In this tab, you'll configure the core information that powers the entire Client CRM Tracker. Start by entering your username, which will personalize and identify your workspace throughout the tracker. Next, select your currency from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all financial values across the spreadsheet are displayed consistently in your preferred format. Then, list all your service types. These are the categories of work or offerings you provide to clients, and they will be used across different tabs for classification and reporting. Finally, add the team members' names. This allows you to assign tasks, projects, or responsibilities to specific people within your workflow. All of this setup data is dynamically connected to the rest of the tracker, meaning any changes you make here will automatically update across the relevant tabs, keeping everything consistent and fully synchronized. Now, let's move to the Client Database tab. This is where you store and organize all essential client information in a structured way, ensuring everything is centralized and easy to manage. In the Client Information section, log the client name, company, and status. This helps you quickly identify who the client is, the business they represent, and their current status. In the Contact Details section, enter the client's email, phone number, and preferred contact method. This ensures you always know the best way to reach them and keep communication efficient. In the Service Information section, define the service type, add a description of the work or agreement, assign it to a team member under Assigned To, and record the start date to track when the engagement began. Now, let's move to the Leads Pipeline tab. This tab is designed to help you track and manage potential clients as they move through your sales process, from first contact to conversion. In the Lead Information section, log the lead name, company, and status. This gives you a clear overview of who the lead is, which business they represent, and their current engagement status. In the Contact Details section, enter the email, phone number, and preferred contact method. This ensures you can consistently reach out using the most effective communication channel. In the Sales Information and Pipeline Tracking section, record the interested service, estimated value, lead source, and assign responsibility under Assigned To. Also update the pipeline stage to reflect where the lead currently sits in your sales process, such as new, contacted, qualified, or closed. All of this information works together to give you a clear, real-time view of your pipeline performance and helps you prioritize the most valuable opportunities. Next, let's move to the Interactions Log tab. This tab is used to track all communication history with your clients and leads, ensuring you maintain a clear record of every touchpoint and follow-up action. In the Interaction Details section, log the date, priority, and method of communication. This helps you understand when the interaction happened, how important it was, and whether it was via email, call, meeting, or another channel. In the Client Information section, record the client name and company, allowing each interaction to stay properly linked to the correct client record. In the Communication Summary section, add a brief summary of the interaction along with the outcome, so you can quickly understand what was discussed and what was achieved. In the Follow-up Tracking section, indicate whether a follow-up is required, define the next action, and assign responsibility using Assigned To. This ensures that no task or client communication falls through the cracks and that every interaction leads to a clear next step. Now let's move to the Projects and Services tab. This tab is used to track all active and completed client work in one organized system, giving you full visibility over project progress, financials, and assignments. In the Project Details section, log the project name, service type, project status, project price, and payment status. This allows you to clearly define what the project is, what type of service it falls under, its current stage, its value, and whether payment has been completed or is still pending. In the Client Information section, enter the client name, company, and assign responsibility using Assigned To. This ensures every project is properly linked to the correct client and team member. In the timeline tracking section, record the start date, deadline, and add any relevant notes. This helps you monitor deadlines, track progress over time, and keep important project details easily accessible. Next, let's move to the Tasks Management tab. This tab is designed to help you organize, assign, and monitor all tasks across clients and projects, giving you a clear view of workload, priorities, and progress. At the top of the tab, you'll find automatically generated charts and summary metrics. These visuals give you an instant overview of task distribution, status breakdown, and overall productivity, helping you quickly identify what's pending, in progress, completed, or overdue. In the main table, log the following details for each task. Enter the task name, set the priority, define the start date, and assign a due date. The system will automatically calculate the days left based on these dates, helping you stay on top of deadlines, along with the current status of each task. Next, select the responsible team member under Assign To. You can optionally link each task to a client name and a related project, which helps connect tasks to the broader workflow and maintain full context across your CRM system. Finally, use the Notes field to add any additional details, instructions, or updates relevant to the task. Finally, let's return to the Dashboard tab. This tab is fully automated and does not require any manual input. It is designed purely as a visual control center for your entire CRM system. All data shown here is automatically pulled from the other tabs, including clients, leads, projects, and tasks. This means every update you make anywhere in the tracker is instantly reflected in the dashboard without any additional work. The charts and summary metrics are also fully auto-generated, giving you a real-time overview of your business performance. These visuals help you quickly understand key insights, such as workload distribution, pipeline activity, project progress, and task completion rates. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Client CRM Tracker spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.